Hey YouTube, I'm back for a quick tip. If the side that you're doing your binding on isn't comfortable, switch sides. It'll go a lot quicker. Like this side, I was doing it from the opposite end on the video, but on this side, I'm going this way and it's making it go a lot faster because of how I'm doing it. So if the other one is kind of like awkward, just switch sides. But now I'm done with my binding. I've gotten it all, it's all now pressed in half. So like I said, you're just going to take it and you're just going to wrap it. You're just going to fold it up so you can get it ready to put it on your quilt. And this is 5 strips cut at 2.5, sewed on the diagonal, and then the excess pieces cut off, the salvage cut off at the top and the bottom. And you can go back to the previous video to see that. But so here I am just rolling it up, getting it ready for my quilt. And it doesn't have to be in any rhyme or reason. I just want it rolled up so when I get ready to put it on the quilt, it's already rolled up. And if you don't like rolling it up, if you've made a quilt before, or if it's uncomfortable with it being rolled all up, then then just unroll it and call it, you know, and work with it loose if that's more comfortable for you. Whatever's comfortable for you, that's what you should do. All right. So I just came back to show you those and give you those couple of tips. I had to switch out my my iPad holders from my old ring light to this one because the new ring light, it would not hold the weight. The iPad part would not hold the weight of my iPad. So I just went and got the old one off of my other iPad, of my other ring light where the light doesn't work anymore, and I put it on this one and it seems to be working because I was going to send it back because I'm like, I ain't got time for that. But so yeah, that's all I came to show you. I'm just rolling up my binding, getting it ready for when we quilt the quilt. So stay tuned for that. That's the next thing, is we're going to quilt the quilt, and then we are going to put the binding on, and then this is going to be done. So thank you for joining me, and stay tuned for the next part. God bless. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends.